you're looking very beautiful. एक message आप working mothers और mothers को देना चाहेंगी?
I think I'm lucky I have a loving and a supportive husband, because right now he's looking after him. So we share the responsibility. You know, it's like he is my car and I'm his key. So key and car, जो screen पे था, अब real life में भी हो रहा है. And he's very supportive. So when he's working, I'm at home, and when I'm working, he's at home. And that's the way I think every man and woman should be, and husband should be to their woman. I don't believe in following anyone, any trends, anything. I think I believe in following one thing, which is the most important thing, which is my heart. I do exactly as I please and exactly as I want. And that's why I think I'm here today. Because when Purnima called me and asked me, and asked my managing team that will actually Kareena walk, because it's only 45 days. And when I was asked, I said, but why should I not walk? You know, normal people don't we walk? So what is the big deal? And I think it's a great opportunity. So I'm doing exactly what I want, and with the support from everyone, I think that's what's making it even more amazing.
Do you think exercise plays, in pregnancy and post it, and staying happy and staying fit?
No, I think being active in pregnancy is the most important thing, and that's what I did. I mean, just being out and about, going with your day-to-day normal chores, as normal as it can be. But of course, the Indian mentality, I'm sure, is a little bit like, कि अरे घर पे बैठो, खाना ट्रे पे आ रहा है, घर पे all the women up with their feet are swollen, they kind of have that thing that I can't do this, I can't do that. But I think things are changing now. There's so many people who are 7-8 months pregnant, and you can see them, they're on the go, they're on the move, and they are inspirational. So I think that the idea was, even for me, I was like, I want to just be out. I want to just do everything that's normal, and just keep my positivity, keep my brain cool, keep calm. That's the most important.
Yeah. And what would you like to say about, going to bed on time and de-stressing, because that's something that you've really started doing now?
Yeah, of course. I think that has also changed now because of Taimur, because I like sleeping early and I like waking up early because he sleeps early, and of course he's up at 7 a.m. So the idea is that I think that's helped me, get into this routine, that's helped me be fitter, is getting my 8-9 hours of sleep at the right time, not sleeping at 2 in the morning and 3 in the morning. It's lights out at 10:30. Of course, on weekends it's exceptional, today being a Saturday night.
Correct. So do you also think that, happier mothers, fitter mothers, active mothers contribute to the health of a baby?
I think the baby, automatically your child will feel what you're feeling somehow. Mothers and their child, there's an instant bond, there's an instant connection. So you need to be happy, you need to feel it from inside, when you're holding your child. So I think that is most important, and trust me, that comes with a balanced meal of eating the right kind of stuff.
Hi Kareena, you're looking fabulous. Thank you. My question is कि जब तैमूर बड़ा होगा तो आप उन्हें कौन सा एपिसोड दिखाएंगी सीजन 2 का?
Well, hopefully Taimur would be interested in watching each and every episode, because it's not just, like I said, one thing that we've tapped upon, what women want. I want him to also, hopefully by then when he grows up, he will grow up knowing, what women want, because he has a working mother at home. He understands that. वो अभी भी मेरे साथ travel कर रहे हैं हर जगह. उन्हें थोड़ा समझ भी आ रहा है कि हम shoot पे जाते, घर आते, उनके साथ खाना खाते. तो he's learning to respect, I feel, women in that turn, because I tell him that now, like Amma's going to work and I have to work because it's what I want to do, and I will come back as soon as I can. And he does understand. Sometimes now he started talking, he'll say, have a good shoot. So hopefully, that love, that respect, he will understand, what actually women want.
Wow, thank you.
Thank you.
Us boys, we have a problem. We don't thank our mothers enough. So thank you, Reebok, for reminding me that I need to thank her one more time. I don't think I've thanked her enough for all that she has done for me, for all the times when I have needed someone and she's been right there. She's the strongest woman I know. She's one of the most independent women I know. She's very, very understanding, and she's the pillar of strength for both me and Ishan, both her sons. I don't think either of us would be wherever we are at in life if we didn't have her as our mother. So this moment actually more is about mom. Can I embarrass you and call you on stage for just 10 seconds maybe? Whatever you want to say, mom. Just a few words. I think tonight is more about you talking about what you feel than me. I mean, I'm just here standing by your side. We are them tonight. It's all about you.
Without them, I wouldn't be the mother I am. My two beautiful sons. I think we do what we do. We dream, we live, and we empower ourselves with what we believe in. But to be a satisfied, happy, enriched mother is a huge part of me. And I have two wonderful sons. Shahid is a gentleman. Shahid is very good at heart and soul. So I'm very, very proud. Ishan has made me very proud too. He's a wonderful boy. So all you ladies, motherhood is a part of being feminine. It's beautiful and it's empowering. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I could like to, yes, thank you. Thank you. Just-
No, mom, we're not done embarrassing you. We're going to give you some flowers now.
Yes.
She likes white roses, so
Yes, yes.
I think I'm safe.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
very
Mom.
much. Thank you.
आप दोनों की भी फिल्म को लेके कुछ ऐसी कुछ बातें होती हैं अगर पर्दे लेकर बात करें
हाँ पर हमने राजी की थी साथ में एंड दैट रियली वर्कड आउट वेरी वेल फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस बट दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम कि जब हम साथ में स्क्रीन पे आए थे एंड आई सेड इट ड्यूरिंग राजी ऑल्सो कि आई होप इट्स जस्ट द
हमने आज तक कभी बोला नहीं।
मेरी प्यारी अम्मी थोड़ा आगे
जी बहुत बहुत अच्छी लगी बहुत अच्छी लगी और हर बेटी को अपनी माँ के साथ देखनी चाहिए अक्सर को हम भी रोए जी जी हाँ हाँ और आमिर का काम भी बहुत अच्छा लगा
हमने हंसाया
हंसाया इन्होंने जी हाँ हाँ हमें उनका वो कैरेक्टर बहुत अच्छा लगा और आमिर ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से निभाया उसको जी
थैंक यू Well, she will give me a longer response when I go home. Yeah, she will. She is someone who is very involved in cinema because my father was a filmmaker as well, and so she was very involved with that. So often at home we discuss scripts, we talk about stories, we analyze films. When we see a film, we have discussions about it. My films, other people's
There's
films.
also a lot of chatter about the obsession with star kids. We see the whole paparazzi culture up on the rise. We have, of course, celebrities who put out the pictures of their sons or daughters. You have really shied away from it. Is it
Shied away?
Yeah, I mean, is it a very conscious thought that you don't want pictures of your kids to be out, daughter to be out?
No, I think it's a decision taken together by my husband and me. I think my husband, being a very private person, I think his point of view towards the thing is that he wants Adira to have a very normal upbringing and seeing the circumstances around us, because we are parents who are slightly known in that sense. There will always be a sense of intrigue as to, you know, what our child is, how our child is, who our child is. So they will get a kind of extra attention that probably they don't really deserve. Because when you go to school and when you take your children to school, you are hoping that your child is going to be treated equally like the other kids. You don't want the extra privileges or extra importance to be given to your child, because you want your child to grow up to be a normal person. But if you have that added attention to your life, if my daughter feels that, oh, I'm slightly different than the others, something could stem up with that. So what we're trying to give our daughter is probably if she's on the beach with her friends, she goes completely unnoticed. If she's wanting to go to the movie theater or she's wanting to go to the park, she goes unnoticed without anybody over there looking at her and saying that, oh, she is so-and-so's daughter. So we are trying our level best if we can achieve that. Of course, it is difficult because we do have the culture where our fans and our well-wishers want to see how my child looks, what is she wearing, is she healthy, is she not healthy, does she have curly hair, does she have straight hair, does she have my eyes, does she does not have my eyes. So yes, these are questions which are going to be repetitively asked, and there will be an intrigue somewhere, but as parents, I think it's our duty to do what we think is best for our child. So this is what we think is best for our child, and we are hoping that it's going to remain like that. And to give credit to all the paparazzi and the photographers, and they all are here today. I want to thank them personally because from the time Adira is born, I've been traveling with her everywhere, but whenever I'm at the airport, I always request them, and they've actually been very sweet, and they don't take Adira's pictures. So I want to thank each one of them, all the press photographers who are there, and I personally request them like, baby ka photo mat lo, and they're like, haan didi, hum nahi lenge, and they always land up taking my picture and they spare Adira. So I'm very happy with that, and I really respect the photographers for listening to me and not overstepping there. So I would have to thank them for that.
I take it as a huge, huge compliment because it's researched, and I got to know that when the Nielsen guys do the research, it's a very, it's really well carried out, and 61% of women voted for me being the yummy mummy. So I think that is a wonderful compliment for a mother. And they didn't just vote for me because I've gotten back to my slim shape. They felt that as an all-rounder, that I've been able to balance motherhood and my work and get back to shape. तो ये इससे बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट कोई हो नहीं सकता. तो मेरे लिए ये एक फिल्म अवार्ड से ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट. हर माँ जो करती है अपने बच्चे के लिए वो बेस्ट ही करती है, और वो अनक्वेश्चनेबल है. तो मैं सल्यूट करती हूँ उन माँओं को जो single-handedly अपने बच्चे को संभालती हैं.
Well, I wish all the mothers a very, very happy Mother's Day. Don't forget to wish your own mothers. Of course, me being a mother feels this, but pick up the phone, wish your mother, give her a tight hug, because that's what I am expecting and waiting from my son.